Dear aspirants, welcome back to YouTube channel Business Center Karimnagar. In previous video, we discussed structure for present perfect tense. In this video, we discuss the structure of present perfect continuous tense. First of all, we see the structure. What is the structure here? Subject plus has or have plus been plus V1 plus ing or V4 form plus object. This is the structure for present perfect continuous tense. Now we can see the example here. Okay, by using this structure we can frame one sentence. See here all of you. I have been taking English class since 7 o'clock. Means from 7 o'clock, since 7 o'clock I have been taking English class. Here I is the subject. The subject is in first person singular. So we have added have helping verb here. Then after we have taken another helping verb, means B form. What is it? Been. I have been. Then after V1 plus ing. Verb is in ing form, means take plus ing, taking. Then after object, what is the object here? English class. English class is the object. I have been taking English class since 7 o'clock. అంటే 7 గంటల నుండి నేను ఇంగ్లీష్ క్లాస్ తీసుకుంటూ ఉన్నాను. అంటే యాక్షన్ ఎప్పుడు స్టార్ట్ అయిందండి? పని ఎప్పుడు స్టార్ట్ అయింది? యాక్షన్, when an action start in the past, still continuing. 7 o'clock action has started. Still continuing. Next, another example. She has been reading the newspaper for 2 hours. In this sentence, she is the subject. The subject is in third person singular number. So we have added helping verb has. Okay. Then after we have added another B form or helping verb. What is it? Been. Then after V1 plus ing. What is the V1 form here? Read. Read plus ing. Reading. Then after object. What is the object here? The newspaper. Okay. For 2 hours means she has been reading the newspaper for 2 hours. 2 గంటల నుండి ఆమె న్యూస్ పేపర్ చదువుతూ ఉంది. అంటే గతంలో స్టార్ట్ అయిన పని ఇంకనూ జరుగుతుంది. 2 hours ముందు ఓకే న్యూస్ పేపర్ చదవడం స్టార్ట్ చేసింది ఆమె, ఇంకా చదువుతూనే ఉందని అర్థం. స్టిల్ కంటిన్యూయింగ్ యాక్షన్. అండ్ యాక్షన్ స్టార్ట్ when an action start in the past, still continuing. This is the present perfect continuous tense. Okay, next structure we discuss in next video. Till then, bye.